Hey everybody, Pete Nowaskey here with another Tech Tip Tuesday. Everybody, this is going to be an easy one today. So what I have in front of me here is our billet Fender Spacer Kit for Dominator fork legs. Basically, we've upgraded this kit. So our spacers are now made out of billet aluminum, 6061. They come in a raw finish. This is obviously so you can powder coat it or anodize it or do whatever you want, make it whatever color you want to match your bike. We've also included polished stainless ARP 12-point hardware and some stainless washers. Now I'm going to tell you guys, you don't necessarily need to use the washers in the kit. It depends what kind of fender you're going to run. So if you're running like a Hoffman carbon fender that's really narrow, you might need a washer or two to take up the space so you get it tight. If you're running a fiberglass fender or a steel fender, it's going to be a little thicker. You may not need the washer. I know I'm beating that to death, but I'm including washers in the kit. You don't have to use them. It's there if you need it. So again, this works with all of our front ends, level 3, level 4 front ends, anything with Dominator legs. And this is a really nice Fender adapter kit for those kits. So you can find this at nowaskey.com. Shop today. If you like this video, click the subscribe button. Tell me what you think in the comments, and we'll see you on the next one.